Welcome in to another woolly review. We have got here Drops Melody. Look at the fuzz. I can't even see yarn in there, it's just fuzz. Now this is classed as a chunky. The cheapest I found for this is at the Wool Warehouse for £2.10, and I really do go looking for the cheapest on so many sites. But Wool Warehouse, generally speaking, has the cheapest for each. Now this is in colour number 7. Oh my gosh, it's like somebody's head. Oh look, there's some yarn. I can actually see it. Oh my gosh. Colour number 7, but we're not here to judge the colour. What's just under there? They're recommending a size 8 hook. Well, I'm not going to use a size 8. I'm going to use a 6. So like it and lump it. 50 grams, 140 meters, 153 yards approximately. 71% alpaca, 25% wool, 4% polyamide. I've never used this before, but I do have to do a project with it. So because I'm really scared of the frogging because of all that fuzz, I'm only going to do a half swatch. Oh my gosh, almost daren't use it. It's wow. So what makes it chunky is actually the fuzz on it, but it's closer to a 2, a sport weight, but it's the fuzz that makes it chunky. That's why they class it. So I am very worried about using this. Very worried, because I need to keep as much on that donut as I can. I couldn't even do a slip knot. Oh my gosh. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, and I am using a 6mm hook. This one was specially made for me by Jelena over at Cutlery Designs. She creates all sorts of wonderfulness on hooks and cutlery, but your imagination, you let her know what you want on it, she will do it, and so she does it well. Anywho, let's get on with a row of single crochet. Now please, we are not here to judge how badly I crochet. We are here purely to review the wool. Now this, there is no elasticity there. There's no stretch. It feels very fiddly in the hands because of the amount of hair, wool, fibres that it's giving off. It feels very weird holding it because it feels like I'm having to hold a lot more than needs be. It's so hairy. Hairy McClary. Okay. Oh, that is the last one. Okay. Oops. Come on. Behave, please. I'm so worried about frogging this. I'm so worried. That's my single crochets. So I think it's safe to say that no matter what stitch you... Oh, it's supposed to be a half double, Lisa. No matter what stitch you use with this, keep it simple, because you're not going to see anything that is textured or bumpy or fancy. Keep it simple and you should be all right. Feels very, very weird between the fingers with so much hair. It's like, oh, get off, oh, get off. And I can just imagine people going, oh, I can't stand it. It's like loose hair everywhere. Oh, it's horrible. I get it. I'm not going to say it's horrible, but it does feel extremely weird. I am having a little bit of difficulty seeing the stitches, but not too bad. Oops. Okay, one more for the half doubles. Oh, sorry, not meant to hit the camera. I'm sorry. Ooh. Ooh. So one row of doubles for the swatch. It's perfectly fine on the hook. There's no squeaking, there's no catching, which you'd hope it wouldn't do anyway. I can hear it on the hook, but not in a squeaky sense, more like I can hear it, not scratching as such, but it's about the best description I can give, because I'm a person with hardly any knowledge of words. I bet this would be great to work up as an amigurumi skin or fur. Be wonderful as a teddy bear or an animal. Okay. Out, hook, out. Oh look, I missed one. I told you I couldn't see them. I can feel the wool, but only slightly. It's not scratchy wool, but I can feel it. I personally am fine with wool, and for this I'd be more than happy with it against my skin. I'm so worried. I can't even get one stitch out. Oh my gosh. One stitch and we're already caught. Oh my gosh. Oops. Oh, this is going to be awful. This is, do you know what? This isn't going to go anywhere. I'm going to have to, because I need every little bit of this. It is not going to go anywhere. I'm going to have to do some strategic cutting with my little snips for this, because I'm not going to be able to frog it. I can't frog it. I can't at all. Like Zippo. So I'm going to have to leave it like that. When I've got the camera off, I will grab my scissors and very, very carefully detangle, de-stitch it. So, Drops Melody. Oops. It is wonderfully soft. There's no stretch to it. You can see the stitches. It feels wonderful. But of course, with it not being superwash wool, those with allergies better stay away. Would I be really annoyed with it if it was the only thing in the shop? No, not at all. Would I be, oh, fine, I'll have to take it? No. But I'm not going to give it a full 3. Purely because of this reason. It is lovely and soft, but it feels very weird, like you've got hair constant, because you can feel the hair. You can feel the hair constantly on your fingers, on your hands, and you just want to kind of shake it off, get it off, shake it off, shake it off. Anyway, it's not for me, personally speaking. It feels really, really nice, and yes, I'd be more than happy with it on my skin, but I wouldn't want to use it, and now I'm kind of dreading it even more going into my project. I would happily take a donut and stick 2 eyes on it and go, oh, I got a new pet, oh, but that's as far as it goes. 2.5 out of 5 ladybirds. I'm sorry, my opinion only. You have yours, I have mine. But let me know what you think, maybe just from what you can see through the screen. And maybe I'll see you next time for the next woolly review. Take care. Bye-bye.